Here we've got LG Velvet, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on the following device. First of all, you have to open the settings right here, go to System, and as you can see here, you've got developer options. If you cannot see them here, if they are not unlocked, just take a look at our tutorial on how to activate developer options, and then you will be able to reach them. So just click on developer options, scroll down a bit, and click on demo mode. And you can smoothly apply it by tapping on enable demo mode, and then you can also show demo mode by tapping on the switcher. And this is it. Then if you would like to turn it off, just give it a couple of seconds. You can click here to deactivate demo mode. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.